Let's test your IELTS listening skills. In this video, you're going to do an IELTS listening test based on what the IELTS listening test is about. I'm going to show you the questions and you have 1 minute to read through the questions, predict what the answer might be, and then after the minute finishes, I'll play the audio and I want you to answer the questions in a notebook. After the audio is finished, you'll then have 1 minute to go through and check your answers. And then after that 1 minute, I'll go through the answers with you and let me know in the comments what score you got out of 8. Let's begin. Here are the questions. You have 1 minute to read through, starting now. Hello, and welcome to the IELTS listening test. This test is designed to evaluate your listening skills in English. The test will last for 30 minutes in total and there will be 40 questions. You will have 10 minutes at the end of the test to transfer your answers onto the answer sheet. You will only get to listen to the audio once, so make sure to listen carefully. There are 4 sections of the listening exam that get progressively more difficult. Section 1 and 2 are based on social and everyday things, such as buying something in a shop or booking a hotel room. In Section 1, you will listen to a dialogue between 2 people. In Section 2, it will be a monologue by one speaker. Sections 3 and 4 are related to academic skills, training and education. In Section 3, you will hear a group of people speaking about a seminar or something academic. In Section 4, there will be an academic lecture or presentation. Before each section starts, you will be given 1 minute to read the questions that pertain to that section. This means a key skill is to be able to predict what the audio may say in order to better answer the questions. Now that you have a better understanding of what to expect, let's begin the test. Good luck. You now have 1 minute to check your answers and see if the sentences make sense. Now you've had a chance to go through a practice listening test, let's see how you did. Question 1, the answer was 30. Number 2, 4 different sections. Number 3, dialogue, which means 2 people talking. Number 4, monologue, which means 1 person talking. Number 5, education. Number 6, seminar. Number 7, lecture. And number 8, predict. How many did you get right? Let me know down there in the comments. There's an online course that I'm working on. Sign up for it in the description. Check out this video next. Good luck and smash those IELTS exams.